Sometimes all you need is a good cup of tea. There are a variety of teas. Green tea oozing with polyphenols, flavonoids, and catechin, powerful antioxidants that get rid of free radicals that can harm the body. Green tea does in fact cure or at least alleviate anaemia ailments. Major health benefits of green tea includes 1. Promotes oral health 2. Better skin 3. Burns fat 4. Battle cardiovascular disease. Chamomile tea. Historically, chamomile is used to promote sleep, ease anxiety, and to hasten recovery of bedridden people due to various illnesses. Chamomile tea benefits your health. May improve sleep quality. May promote digestive health. Proper digestion is extremely important for your overall health. May protect against certain types of cancer. May benefit blood sugar control. May improve heart health. Oolong is neither a black tea nor a green tea. It falls into its own category of tea. Yet an oolong may end up with more black tea characteristics or more green tea. Oolong tea is processed with a special ball rolling technique, causing tea leaves to take on the look of little balls. This causes a deep green appearance in the leaves themselves and creates a golden color when brewed. The texture of the tea is smooth and inviting, with a long-lasting and subtle aftertaste. Milk oolong contains caffeine, which can boost your energy, and L-theanine, which has a calming, stress-reducing effect. Together, caffeine and L-theanine can help to boost your brain power and help you focus. A bag of herbal tea contains a mixture of flowers, leaves, or other parts of the plant. Often, they are dried to prolong storage life. Each kind of herbal tea has its own flavor unique to the plant. We love feeling revitalized. Theine contained in tea is released much more slowly than caffeine from coffee, resulting in a more revitalized feeling instead of an agitating effect. We are like tea, we don't know our own strength until we're in hot water. you can create a tea which not only uplifts your mood, at the same time pacifies the three doshas of the body. Flowering tea is best served in a glass teapot or cup or even a large wine glass, so you can really appreciate the visual aspect of the tea before you drink it. Popular flowers for this type of tea include chrysanthemum, jasmine, lily, and hibiscus, which all have their own distinctive flavors. All you have to do is leave it for a couple of minutes in boiling water, and the flower will slowly blossom, releasing the tea leaves into the water. A beautiful display is created here as the tied leaves and flowers create a centerpiece for your teapot or brewer. There's plenty of evidence that regularly drinking tea can have a lasting impact on your wellness. Apart from weight loss, blue tea has other health benefits: antioxidant properties, anti-diabetic properties, reduces stress and anxiety, beneficial for hair and skin. Hibiscus tea is also another beneficial herbal tea. Share and subscribe to my channel. Wish you health and happiness till next time.